So that's something that you can feel better about too.
Like, if I take this out, then I feel way better about taking this out than the last cell, honestly.
What was the one that they wanted? Rottweiler.
And you banned everyone from...
I banned everybody for saying that they wanted this.
Too much cocaine coming like Canada. Got kush on holiday. I don't talk about the stamina. I did it. I got told off once and he slapped me wrist. I don't listen, I don't blame, I don't follow anyone's words. This jab is smoking my caddy's pot and I'm steady sipping on dirt. I'm a stockpiler, got a top driver, big chain bust down like a Rottweiler. I'm a stockpiler, got a top driver, big chain bust down like a Rottweiler. Too much smoking coming like Canada. Got kush smoke all in my lungs. I'm running for blood but I'm not having stamina. I'm whipping it smart and knocks in me head. I'm gonna go fucking a canister. No days off, I was plotting with nothing. I'm money all over my calendar. In this game of life, you're an amateur. I'm an activist, 3 bells in a month, an activist. And I quit for the big, but I'm back to this. I got told off once and he slapped me wrist. I don't listen, I don't blame, I don't follow anyone's words. This jab is smoking my caddy's pot and I'm steady sipping on dirt.
Today's Tuesday or Wednesday? Tuesday, right?
Tuesday.
Say pass it count today, then we have 5 days for it.
Okay.
Comfy, hunted up like a Spartan. Balenciaga and Tartan. The way I'm begging my pardon, I'm in Paris, no manger. So this is the same scenario as yesterday, where we stayed within this gap right here on the 15-minute and then ended up getting that rotation back down. So that doesn't mean that we're going to rotate back down, but we definitely want to see this gap get disrespected on ES. There was no gap on NASDAQ, but this was the same situation, but
Can I see how it Tuesday?
I just do the show with pride.
Rotten leather kid, I'm avant-garde. Windows fully tinted, speakers blasting while I'm sniffing shots. I'm putting up roots with beats with the checks retired. Stars in the ceiling, ball and doors from heavy and armored. The boys in blue came through to the gap, but I sneaked out back on the path. They're popping already and I just got started. They say SD, cause you're so cold-hearted. In a game of life, I did way more than the rest could. I sit this yak, I'm smoking up on the best bud. It's dark outside, I'm up on the lash. You just gotta cut to the fresh dust. Back this and S for the best wood. Whole fit for the 70s Westwood. Never been no grafter, never cooked crack cocaine in a kitchen kettle. But I've clicked and scammed them 83 grand. I'm up on a whole nother level. I fly through streets and back on the beats. I really put power to metal. I'm proud to look like the devil. At SD, I'm a rebel. Swearers, don't give a fuck about raging. I'm whipping the team like fours and brief on the fast cash that I'm earning. I'm getting up early working. It's only that fire I'm burning. There's an old course and 3 only brothers are bearing.
I just live for show and pride.
4 bells in the morning, I'm still going hard. I rock designer, rotten leather kid, I'm avant-garde. Windows fully tinted, speakers blasting while I'm sniffing shots. I just left the show and pride. 4 bells in the morning, I'm still going hard. I rock designer, rotten leather kid, I'm avant-garde. Windows fully tinted, speakers blasting while I'm sniffing shots.
It's so weird seeing my hair like this.
It's fire, man. It's nice.
Thanks.
Pour pint of that dirty, double me cup of sip till I'm ready. Won't talk to you, you're not wavy. Come chat shit shit that won't show no mercy. Got model bitches from Turkey, got a bunch of weed in the 30s. I'll pop a piece in a Yankee, just that kid from the side of the Mersey.
Gotta see this shit get disrespected, man.
I'm incredible, still out on the left from federals. With a blue light flash, no stopping me. Cause I swear and scared too properly. I'm a pirate boy, I take property. Cause I sit this yacht and I'm popping me. Flexing, I'm flexing. It's your next text and I'm texting. Said S is blessed with the best. I'm plotting no checks left. An investment, chilling in check with Bex. We're sexting. Kid the compressor, gas you investing. If you don't step, you sweating this left. This sipping out west. Request for this Tesla. Pour pints that I'm dirty. Double me cup of sip till I'm ready. Won't talk to you, you're not ready. Cool chat shit, won't show.
You could just use like the flavors to reward tool.
I got it. I got it perfectly now. Yes, it's battle in this bitch right now. Crazy, always acting scandalous. And the supermodel bitches keep fires in the pocket full of money, and I go all hands with it. Louis V. Sanders. Crazy, always acting scandalous. Always acting scandalous.
In the job, I got the pills cause I'm running for running in the car, got a zoo through the traffic. If I've got a problem, no 100 man or back in water with the jacket, you can tell it by the graphic. Never gonna stop until I buy me my paddle. Getting mad that I'm a rat, I can't stop it, I'm an addict. Lad, I've always been a mad kid, I'll never stop the racket. I'm a union, why I want the money's gonna pile up. Kid that I can tell a fake friend from a mile off.
Go!
She wanna ride on trash shit and like you walk away with plasters. I'm chilling with the ghost boys, phantoms and caspers. I'm rolling up the M-way, you're never getting past us. I never had a dad and say hello as a bastard. Get cash out that stick, I'm human. Yeah, shades on me, links should all keep.
Listen though, just because the 15-minute doesn't disrespect that gap doesn't mean that it's going to go down, but it would just make us feel a lot better. Like the 15-minute on ES is still bullish, but the only reason why I say that is because we took out previous day highs, this high, like, and we're OD overextended.
Yeah.
You know, so like us not disrespecting this bearish gap, and us respecting this bearish confluence after overextension is like a slight sign of a reversal, you know? So that's like the only the only thing that I have with this, where the fact that we're staying in this and not like just ready to disrespect this completely. It's like the buyers aren't, not that the buyers aren't there anymore, but it's, ideally, you know, if this were strong, we wouldn't care about the bullish confluences throughout this.
Rap's no good. Better than telling me the check's no good. Now they wanna act like I do no good. Funny cause I really did more than I should. I made a decision last night that I would die for it. Just to show the city what it takes to be alive for it. Can't get me on the line so they hang me out to try for it. 40 wants peace, but I'm down to cut ties for it. And I can't sleep these days unless I take
you
one.
Go to NQ?
They don't have a story these days, they'll make one.
It was a high from a while ago.
Life is always on, man, I never get a break from. Doesn't matter where I go, I can never get away from. They give me loyalty and I don't gotta pay for it. Brands gotta break for it. Keeping people fed is my only peace of mind now. And I turn a 6 upside down, it's a 9 now. I made a decision last night that I would die for it.
So, I mean, luckily for you, we're bullish on the 5 minute, we're bullish on the 15 minute. Unluckily for you, if we do want to go lower on the 15 minute, the low that we would want to close underneath would be this one. Which, I mean, granted, obviously, if we want to go lower, you're going to get stopped out. But yeah, that low that we would want to close underneath on ES to get confirmation, which, I mean, that means it's a good stop placement, would be this low. So we're still in this gap. It's not a problem. Like, we've seen 5 minute trends put in whatever, something like this before, where it like respects a gap. Where it respects a gap and it just whatever, it's like doesn't mean anything. So I wouldn't take it too strong that this like is respecting this gap, because we could still very well continue higher. And also it's later in the day, so price is moving a lot slower and is giving us just indecision. It's, notice how we're just like sweeping out any and everything to try and get the orders required to be able to get to where we want to go. But yeah, it's late in the day now. So it's gonna take some time for us to get to wherever we want to go with this.
You didn't say anything today?
I'm actually in this at a much lower entry. My stop's in the same area though. My take profit's just at this high.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. I done kept it real from the jump. Living at my mama's house, we'd argue every month, nigga. I was trying to get it on my own. Working all night, traffic on the way home, and my uncle calling me like,
Where you at?
I
Bring her right back.
I just think it's funny how it goes. Now I'm on the road, have a million for a show. And we started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga, always tell stories about the man. Say I never struggled, wasn't hungry, yeah, I got it, nigga. I can turn your boy into the man. There ain't really much out here that's popping up without us, nigga. We just want the credit where it's due. I'ma worry about me, give a f about you, nigga. Just as a reminder to myself. I wear every single chain, even when I'm in the house. Cause we started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team.
I mean, still, the really nice thing about this is, even if this eval trade gets stopped, you still only need one trade to pass it. So, either this one does it, or the next one.
Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. Might be too strung out on compliments.
Overdose on confidence.
Started not to give a fuck and stop fearing the consequence. Drinking every night because we drink to my.
I think we think about every single loss that, I mean, I took the L with you yesterday, and if I take this L with you today too, it's like, what's like the common denominator is just taking the trade way too late in the market open. Trying to catch a move that's already been made. Like, not that it's dumb, but like, cause like obviously we have an objective, so it's like it kind of sucks because we put a timeline on it where we're trying to get this shit done, so it's causing us to take these trades. Without that timeline, I don't think these trades would be taken. But yeah, I mean, that's like definitely the biggest common denominator is like 10-30 hits, and it's like that should be wraps if we don't see anything, and especially after taking out all of these draws over here.
I'm like, why I gotta be all that, but still I can't deny the fact that it's true. Listen to you expressing all the feelings. Soap opera rappers, all these niggas sound like all my children. And that's what you thinking is about to come and make a killing. I guess it really is just me, myself, and all my millions. You know that they ain't even got it like that. You gon' hype me up and make me catch a body like that. Cause I live for this, it isn't just a hobby like that. When they get my shit and play it,
Gonna put in a low real close to it, which is not really what you want to see. High probability that we come down and spank that shit. So you gotta hope and pray that on that move down, NASDAQ doesn't want to grab these guys. And you just hope that ES only wants to grab this and rotates up, but...
Is that where it stop is? Where my stop is?
So you gotta pray. So you're still one trade away. You're still one trade away from hitting this.
So we need 3,000.
$3,000 win on this. I would definitely not try and look to take another trade today. I'll be avoiding that shit at all costs.
Wait, 3,000 to pass?
Yeah. Or what is that? 700, 2,700.
To pass.
I would have, like, there's no reason to take, like, even that was not the best. I mean, I lost that one with you, but that was kind of like it was just wishful thinking on that one.
So good. Little mile.
Yeah. You have that. You have this one. This is one trade away from passing. And then this, we're 3 trades away from getting a payout.
There's still 3 trades?
Still 3. Because you need... this 2,790. You need 2 winning trades worth $930. Or wait, no, it's gonna be different. You're going to need, how much did you lose on that one?
900.
So you're going to need what is that? 2,000. Nah, it wasn't. What was it? 10. Okay, then what is that now? Okay, yeah, it was 900 plus 900 equals, okay, divided by 3. Okay, yeah, so you still only need 3 trades. You need 3 trades of $1,300 on the qualified. So that's still very doable. I'm still not worried at all for you to be able to get your payout.
I mean, either. I just really want to focus on the advance. Like, I feel like the advance is like, that's so easy to
You're
do.
one trade away from passing this one, and you're 1 trade away from passing this one. There's this one. I mean, both hypothetically are the exact same thing. So, look, I think the past 2 days. I mean, me too, because I took the same, like, pretty much like close to the same trades as you. And I definitely shouldn't have been taking those, but I just, like, whatever. I was kind of in this with you, so I was trying to justify it. But even with the objective of, like, oh, we're trying to pass this and whatever, like, hit a trade, we would have been much better off just, like, not trading the past 2 days and sitting out and just waiting for price to come our way and take. Again, like, this first initial trade was the one to take for the day. So, to be honest, tomorrow we can see what price gives us, but the fact that we're literally 3 good trades away from an actual payout, and we have three trading days of this week left, and then 5 trading days of next week left, that gives you more than enough time to be able to get that shit done. And it gives you more than enough time to also potentially get the advanced accounts done.
Yeah.
So I think instead of on some like forcing trade shit at 10:30, we need to like just calm ourselves down a bit and just not take those, you know, because had we not been taking those, because realistically we knew like the past we've actually taken 3 of those. We took one today, yesterday, and on Thursday of last week. Had we not taken those, we actually would have passed on Monday of this week, because Monday was a winning trade.
Yeah.
So
We would have got that payout on Friday last week. It's okay.
yeah, Friday.
You wanna go outside?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I think there's no reason for us to look at this at all. Something that, I mean, you can consider is, because we're one trade away on this one and one trade away on this one. Like, I know it sounds stupid, but you technically have that option to try and whatever, just put that bitch up in the air and see if it hits.
I